I'm Larry Vickers.
I'm Jeff Cahill.
We're going to take you through a little bit of the history of how this pistol became the most popular handgun the world has ever known. The Austrian Army adopted this handgun and started the Glock phenomenon in 1980. We're big fans of them, but like anything else, mechanical objects, it has its pros and cons, pluses and minuses, and it's in your best interest to know that and how to be able to take advantage of what it brings to the table for you, but also minimize any potential downside the pistol might have.
Remember, this is something you'll be trusting your life to, so it needs the care and maintenance that you can give it.
And that's what this video is all about. Give you a little bit of the history and kind of take you through some of the do's and don'ts and things to look out for on the Glock pistol, the most popular handgun the world has ever known.